welcome back to Good Old Houses Japan. Today I'm visiting a Kyo-machiya built in the 1920s in the Nishijin area of Kyoto City. So like most other machiyas in Kyoto, right after you enter the house, you can see there's a tatami room, which is usually used for welcoming guests. The style and patterns on the sliding doors and the kitchen facilities give the house a Showa retro atmosphere. By the way, Showa era starts from 1926 to 1987, which is actually the longest era in Japanese history. And at the back of the house is this spacious concrete space that used to have the weaving machines. And a characteristic of these hybrid residential plus weaving site machiyas, usually called oriyatate, is that the high ceiling and roof windows really make the room feel extremely bright and spacious. So here is the traditional squatting style toilet. Or you can actually buy a sitting toilet cover for like $30 USD. It's a great investment. Usually these old machiyas were built without bathrooms. So the bathroom you see in these houses, usually they were added later on. And sometimes you can find them in weird locations like this one. There you have this great view of the peaceful and quiet neighborhood. And personally, I really enjoy biking through these small alleys in Kyoto. They're quite adventurous but safe. On the second floor is where you can have some sort of office space, even if you have to work from home. Looking down to the first floor, this is where you can have the living room space, although it doesn't look so appealing at the moment. But with proper renovation, even old houses like this can be transformed drastically. Because machiyas are townhouses, they're connected together, so it's quite hard to have light coming from the side. So it's quite rare to have a side window like this. That's it for the tour and enough of me talking. Please enjoy the rest of the video with detailed footages of the house. I hope to see you soon at the next video.